Right now, convicted murderer Scott Peterson is fighting for a new trial. Today, a judge is hearing final arguments in the motion for a new trial based on allegations of juror misconduct.
Peterson was convicted in 2004 of killing his wife Laci Peterson and their unborn son Connor. ABC's Morgan Norwood explains why a new trial could happen.
A judge could soon decide if Scott Peterson, convicted of murdering his wife Laci and unborn son Connor, will get another chance to try to prove his innocence. The request for a new trial centers around whether a juror, Rochelle Nice, lied when she told the court she had never been involved in a domestic violence case. Throughout the hearing, Peterson's attorney arguing that Nice failed to inform the court she had been a victim of domestic violence while she was pregnant, and that she filed a restraining order during another pregnancy against her boyfriend's ex-girlfriend, who she claimed was stalking her. Today, a judge reading Nice's response to one of the questions on the questionnaire.
The jurors that sit on this case will be instructed that they must base their decision entirely on the evidence produced in court, comma, not from any outside or pre-existing opinion or attitudes. Can you do that despite what you have read, heard, or seen about this case? She checked no.
It seems astonishing to me, Your Honor. It seems absolutely consistent with the idea that she had some kind of predetermined bias in the case.
Prosecutors arguing that Peterson's team must prove that Nice committed misconduct based on bias toward convicting Scott.
She had no bias against Scott Peterson. When she was selected as a juror, she listened to all the evidence and decided the case based solely on the evidence in the courtroom.
Laci's mother confronting Scott earlier this year, telling him, quote, Laci and Connor will always be dead and you will always be their murderer.
It's important for everybody to remember that. If a glorious win for Scott Peterson here simply means he gets a new jury and a new trial. Even if they prevail in this hearing, they're going to retry him, and I have every confidence that he'll be convicted again.
The judge in this case expected to make her decision within the next 90 days. I'm Morgan Norwood, ABC News, Los Angeles.